Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flirto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!